I'm a world champion monkey bar climber, so I'm sponsored. I'm gonna give you a little taste of what I can do. So I'm gonna get warmed up really quick.
Hey you! Yeah, you. Say you got a world champion monkey bar climber over there? Well, you got nothing on me, man. Spider-Man got nothing on me. I will take him on. Duel, one-on-one, monkey bar champion. Let's go. This one is for distance.
Sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. You see, a big stone and I borrowed.
Hey you!
You talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you! Get over here! What?